Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this new video on Pepe. All right, wanted to give you my thoughts. Wanted to give you a full update on what's going on right now, my expectations, just in general. All right, right now the markets are quite bullish. Bitcoin is heading for that all-time high. There's no reason to believe that we're going to be very bearish. What's still possible, though, to do some expectation management is that Bitcoin gets a bigger pullback. All right, that's fully possible, like into 70,000, into 71,000, all to be expected. But at this point of time, we do look good. All right, and you can also see before we get into Pepe that the total three, so the altcoin market is also getting towards its all-time highs right here. So in general, we're very bullish, and you're going to see that for Pepe as well. And I did a short on this yesterday. So if you don't know, then now you know. If you go to my channel and you go to the bottom right here of my channel, what you'll see is my two other channels. So make sure to subscribe. If you go to the shorts ones, yesterday I also did one on Pepe. We talked about this. And in general, I would say they're actually quite valuable shorts, but that's up to you to judge. But what we did is that Pepe actually, like we had a fake out right here below 65 and 6600, which was technically our strongest level. Not really a fake out, by the way. I mean, the level is more like this. But we had that, and then we actually yesterday got a significant bullish breakout and a significant bullish reclaim, because one of the most important resistance levels or support levels now was always this level right here around 7,000 and like 7,200. So between those two levels. And what we did yesterday is that while Bitcoin was relatively bullish, Pepe actually reacted to that very well, and it broke above that level. And what I said in the short yesterday is that if we can actually hold that level, which over the course of this morning we did, we're back into this consolidation. So you can see purely technically, Pepe since like 3 weeks ago has mostly been consolidating in this region. So if you can confirm that you're back in that consolidation at the bottom of the consolidation, then you can assume that if you confirm that you're in, you're also going up to the top. So that's what we're doing right now, right? So you can see Bitcoin, first of all, is still very strong. So that's the main catalyst behind this bullish momentum. But Pepe on its own is also gaining real momentum here. So in general, I am bullish on Pepe. And the main question for me, look, we have confirmed the consolidation. So what I expect is that we'll get back into 8,000 up here, which is where we already are, but also 8,500 up here. I think that's a possibility. And then the main question becomes, can we also break above that? And that's a more difficult question, I think, because there's two things that will depend on. The main thing, obviously, Bitcoin. I expect Bitcoin to be bullish still in the next week or so at least. And then the open interest. Like the open interest of Pepe should actually rally much higher than this. It should rally up to like $450 million, which is an increase of about $70 million from where we are right now. That's a lot of money. So do I think it's possible? Yes. However, I do think initially we'll find resistance at that level. All right, so we'll get up to that level between, let's say, 82 and 8,500. We'll get a rejection, and then eventually, if Bitcoin stays bullish and we regain some momentum, then we can break above that and rally up to new highs at like 9,500 and 10,000. Those are my thoughts for now. And in general, I mean, we do need to gain that open interest, right? So what I talked about, we do need to see that increase up to like 450, because if you historically look at it, those are the levels we need to break above that. If we don't get that, if we never get that in the next week, which I'll try to keep you updated on that, then we will also not break out. And that is a realistic scenario as well. So if I look at the markets right now, bullish breakout seems most likely. However, we do need some more confirmation. And initially I expect a rejection. But those are my thoughts. That's what I think you need to know for now. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments, of course. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.